Hi everyone, we are here in this beautiful location that is the Simple&smart headquarters, and we are going to present the new system that we developed in the last year. So we put a lot of efforts to reach this goal, that is the implementation of the BNR control panel LCD on our dental chair, and we can control everything with this LCD control panel, so the micromotors and also the chair itself. Let's go to see the main features and what's new in this new dental chair. The home screen of this control panel is exactly the same as the control panel that we had on the traditional dental chair with the analogic panel. We have the different function of the unit, the movimentation of the chair up and down and the side for the backrest, and the memory that we can set as it used to be in the past as well. So we have the light, the last position, the reset basin, the glass, the hot water, and the locking system for the panel. The set button, it allowed to control and set up different features as it was in the past. The idea was to create a control panel with the implementation of the function of the unit that we have, plus all the control the micromotor. In fact, we have here the MCX from BNR, and when we select it, we can see all the function that the micromotor and the control can have. The speed, for example, and also the control of the torque, the type of contrangle that we're going to use, the reverse of the motor, and other feature that we can select in the control panel. At the same time, when we select an instrument, we can check over here and we can still control the chair if we want to use the basic features. Over here we can change to the low speed, for example, if we are using a low speed, and we can control the speed of the micromotor. And we can control also the scaler, so by acting on the cordon, we can adjust the power of the scaler in this position. When we activate the scaler, a green light appears here, and so it displays that it's on. And at the same time, we can control the feature of the dental unit over here. Plus, we can customize in many different users. So I can select the Doctor 1, Doctor 2, Doctor 3, and we have different possibilities to control the micromotors. In this position, we can select the brightness of the screen. We can control the type of pedal that we're going to install, if it's progressive or just on-off. And we can control the light of the instruments. In this setting, we can control the type of measurement that we want to have on our control panel in general. On these two lights, we have the set light and also the hot water light, because if you remember, in the old panel it was integrated inside the panel itself. Now it's a digital one, so we couldn't include the two LED inside the panel, so we just adjust here. The set one we need when we press the set button and we activate the light, so in case we need to do some setting on the chair. And the other light is, as I said, for the hot water, so when we press, the green light is on. These are the main features of this new system. I want to add that you can install 1, 2, or 3 micromotors at the same time, from BNR of course. You can install different kind of micromotors, the MCX, the MX2, and all the range of products from BNR. I really hope that this new solution can fit your market and the needs of the dentists that want to have more from the Simple&smart dental unit. In case you need more information about this new system or you need more technical details, just let us know. Thank you for watching.